ServiceNow down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with ServiceNow in this moment because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is a software company that develops cloud computing platforms and also transforms old manual processes into digital workflows. So if you do have issues with ServiceNow, you can go to Google and search for ServiceNow down and then go to this first site. And here you will see that right now there are over 1,000 reports, and most reported problems are at the website 72% and also to total blackout. In the comment section, you will see some comments from people who also have problems with ServiceNow. So in conclusion, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to wait until they fix this problem. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to fix it yourself. You just have to wait. So if you do have issues with ServiceNow, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.